Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and the Junk Journal and Papercrafts Facebook group. And this is our May drawing for, our June drawing for our June Challenges 25 event. Now, for LineDotArrow, remember, you only have 2 weeks to claim your prize. So to claim your prize, you go to the LineDotArrow Etsy shop, and then you use the store system, and tell Natalie what drawing you won, how many prizes you won, because you could win, once in Sweet Pea Papers, once in Junk Journal Tutorials, etc., etc. You can win in multiple drawings, but you can only win once per drawing. Anyway, let her know what drawing you won and which kit you want and your email address, because I believe she sends you a download link via email. And remember, you only have 2 weeks. There's 15 people and 6 groups, soon to be 7. And that's a lot of people for her to look up all those kits to send them to you. The next month's kit, July's kit, and bundle groups are not included in the ones that you can select from. Okay, now the housekeeping part is almost done. This is the drawing for all 3 groups, all in one video, so make sure to watch through all the way to the end to see if you've won. We're going to do them in order: Sweet Pea Papers, then Junk Journal Tutorials, and then Junk Journal and Papercrafts. Okay? All right. So we've got in Sweet Pea Papers, you guys, if you've watched these drawings before, you know how I do it. In Sweet Pea Papers, we have 118 entries. Okay. And so there's 5 winners in each drawing. And we'll keep track of them on both of these pages for the winners of each drawing. So let's generate the first winner. And the first winner is number 40. And that's Lorna. Whoops, I'll bet I spelled that wrong. I mean, I got it right there, but I think I spelled it wrong in my database. Okay. So now winner number 2 for Sweet Pea Papers is going to be number 42. That's Lorna. She can't win more than once. Number 28, which is Lorna. What are the odds of this? Number 34, which is Wendy. Congratulations, Wendy. And Lorna. You're apparently on a streak. Winner number 3. Oh, let me write Wendy's name up here. Hit 2 keys at once. My microphone is one of those big studio mics, just because. And so I have to move my mouse and my keyboard over. Okay, number 100. And that's Renee. Congratulations, Renee. What is up with my typing? Of course, like I said, everything's moved way over. Winner number 4 is number 91. That's Lorna again. I really honestly don't know the odds of getting drawn 4 times. I'll bet that's her too. Renee already won. Number 3, Julie Turner. Winner number 5 is number 29, which is Candy. I thought it was going to be Lorna again. Excuse my sniffles. Okay, now we're going to go to Junk Journal Tutorials and More. So that's JJTM. And winner number 1 is number 8, Beatrice. Oops, sorry, Beatrice. Oh, what happened there? Whoops. Okay, winner number 2 is number 94, Michelle. It's Shriner. I know most of these names by now. You'd think I'd remember how to spell them. Winner number 3 is number 26, Gail Davis. Winner number 4 is number 24, Renee Stockwell. Congratulations on winning twice. You guys are going to think I can't type here pretty soon. Winner number 5, last one for Junk Journal Tutorials and More, is number 83. And that's Renee. She can't win more than once in a drawing. Number 75, Lorna McKay. Look at that. Congratulations on winning in 2. I don't see how you could not have. Your name was drawn so many times. All right, let's go on to the Junk Journal and Papercrafts, JJP. There's their database. Okay, winner number 1 is number 95. Oh, I forgot to change the upper limit. It's only 92. I think I forgot to do it on the other one, but we didn't have one that went over, so it didn't matter. All right, so that's a nobody. Number 47, Wendy. Congratulations on winning in 2 different drawings. Winner number 2, 65. I knew it was going to be Lorna. I said it in my brain. She's won in all 3. Congratulations. Number 3, number 52. That's Renee. Congratulations, Renee, you've won in all 3 as well. This shows you, if you see how many times Lorna and Renee's names are in there, it gives you a much better chance the more projects that you do. Number 2, let's go all the way back up here. Naomi Shaw. Congratulations, Naomi. Okay, we got one more person. Is it you? Number 5, Beatrice. Oops, it's Julie. Okay, that's it. We've got the winners of our drawings here. And remember, you have 2 weeks to claim your prize from today. And you go over to Natalie's Etsy shop at LineDotArrow. It's all one word. And you get to pick out a free junk journal kit. In fact, Naomi, I believe, picks out... No, Lorna picks out 3 and Renee pick out 3. Natalie will have this list, but it's still easier for her to check your name off if you tell her which one you've won, which drawing you've won in, or if you've won in all 3, tell her all 3 names, okay? All right, well, that's it for this month. I will see you again next month. And, oh, actually I won't, because we're doing the Crafty Christmas in July, so we're not part of the LineDotArrow collaboration in July. But, and in August, Natalie's taking a vacation. She deserves it from doing the challenge videos and such. And so it will be the end of September before we have another drawing, as far as I know. Okay? All right. Well, thank you very much for hanging out with me. Thank you for being a member of the 3 Facebook groups. And thank you for being a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.